Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your plants have a lot of mutations and grow a garden. So what you're going to want to need to do is join the game when there are updates an hour before the actual update. I think like right now it's around 8-ish, and oh my god. Right now it's around 8-ish, and the actual update is around at 9. So you'll need to be an hour an hour before the actual update on Grow a Garden. And as you can see right now, there's going to be the disco mutation. Okay, that's just like my friend waving around his plants, but yeah, that's how you can get a lot of mutation, is to join the update an hour before the actual update. So join the game an hour before the update and you'll get a lot of mutations, and you'll get some free stuff as well. Well, not free stuff, you'll get like stocks as well in the game when there's admin abuse. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.